She says, do you use promoted pins to grow your traffic, or is it all organic? Do you use Facebook or Instagram ads? I'm a freelance copywriter. So we don't use any promoted pins on Pinterest. I tried back in the day and I was so confused, to be totally honest with you. It was like way over my head. So if we ever did use promoted pins, I would outsource that real quick, because it is not easy to do. So everything that I teach, everything in our business is all organic. So we don't do any promoted pins. It's so much easier that way. And you can get really good organic traffic with Pinterest without having to pay for it. Facebook and Instagram, that's a different story. Like, you have to pay to play if you actually want to see results on those platforms. So we do Facebook and Instagram ads. And it's one of those things that you don't want to do in your business until you know you have a funnel that's converting, like a webinar that's working. That's when we started. Our webinar was converting really well. We just needed more eyeballs on it at the time when we were just starting. This was just a few months into our business, I want to say, like 5 months in, 6 months in, that we decided to start investing in Facebook and Instagram ads. And it is a really good investment if you know what you're doing, or you hire someone who knows what they're doing. You could spend $1 and out comes $5. You could spend $10,000 and out comes $50,000. You definitely want to know what you're doing before you get into that arena, though, and you want to, or hire someone that knows what they're doing. Okay.